Hey everybody, it's Sandra Deluxe, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Bretman Rock and ColourPop collaboration. I am a huge fan of Bretman Rock. I think he's hilarious, super kind. I've had the pleasure of meeting him in person at Coachella a couple times. Super awesome, down to earth person, and absolutely hilarious, of course. You probably already know who it is, but if you don't, do yourself a favor, go let yourself smile. Congratulations, Bretman, on the collection. It's stunning. We're gonna get into these looks. We're doing two because there's two collections, Wet and Lit. All of the names are super Bretman, which I think is hilarious, very exciting. So if you want to see how to get this look, then please stay tuned. So let's start with the Lit collection. It's got a lippy pencil, ultra gloss lip, and ultra satin lip. Ooh, cute. So like a brown liner, looks like a sparkly pale blue, probably goes on quite sheer, and a peachy nude. Oh my god, I'm wet, literally obsessed body glitter. And Stop It Super Shock Cheek. Then we have a 8-pan eyeshadow with blues, some warm tones for the crease, and like, this is really cute. So let's jump right in. I'm gonna go into Eva Beach, right into the crease, and I'm using a Morphe Holiday brush set brush, so they don't have numbers, but it's just part of the holiday set. I didn't put contacts in, and I would like to, so bear with me. It's better to put them in before you get too far along or before you start your makeup so that your eyes don't water and ruin it. I think I'm gonna go in with Finished right here, and I'll use that kind of like a little base. It's like a very pale blue, it's super pretty. Just rolling that on top of my eyelid. For the outer part, let's get into Mood. Right, should we go Mood? Let's go into LOL, I'm Crying. I love these names. I'm gonna press that on the outer part of my eye and let it melt into the brown and the light that we did earlier. This color is really pretty. Damn. Even though we're putting the one color all over the lid, it's going to look a little bit lighter on the lid because we work so very hard on that light color to brighten it up. This is super pretty. Then let's go into Mood, the outer part. And I'm just going to press that on the very edge. And we'll buff that in right into the crease, keeping it kind of tight using another Morphe brush. Wing it out a little bit. And I'm gonna take a little bit of Fishy because it's such a beautiful like mermaid kind of color, and hook that underneath like that, right underneath the lash line. To help it all blend, we can just go in with our blending brush. Hey mom.
Oh, you're working?
Yep. Never stop.
Alright.
Just like that. My mom just came by and she looks hella cute. And I'm gonna take a little bit of Thickens, the silver, and just put that right in the inner corner. The other blue look I did was very structured, so I wanted to keep this one more blendy. This is really cute. So for lips, I'm gonna do lashes last. I'm gonna go in with the pencil. Oh, it's a lot lighter than it looks like on the package, but this is really pretty. And I'm gonna get myself a nice little classic shape. And I'm darkening the edges so it's a little bit ombre. Then with our lip stain, ultra satin lip, cute. I'm gonna go and fill in the center of my lips. Just lightly blend it out so we don't lose our ombre shape. Cute. To top it off, I'm going to use the gloss, but I'm going to put it on my finger so that I don't get the brown inside here. Ooh. For mascara, I'm going to go into the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is my first time using it actually, for how popular of a mascara it is. Ooh. Ooh. Get focused. I'll do a little on the bottom too. I'm gonna use these Ardell lashes that I got at Sally's yesterday. I will write the name in the description box, and I'll just pop as close as I can to my lash line. They're kind of like spiky and extra. And then whenever my looks are done, I like to just go through and make sure they be blended. and pop out any areas that might need a little extra love. Yeah, let's take a finger and LOL, I'm crying. And I'm just gonna brighten this up a little bit. Oh yeah. Do not neglect the God-given gift of fingers. Let's be extra 2 times and fill our waterline with mood. Okay, so there's our first look wet. I did a little bit softer, blown out, because we're gonna do a little bit more intense with the red. Hopefully, we'll see. All right, let's get into the lip collection. Same thing, there's a body glitter. This is called She Lit. Very beautiful. I realized I didn't use the body glitter or the blush in the last one, but that's okay. Oh, she's blushing. A really vibrant peach. A really beautiful 8-pan shadow palette again. Gorgeous. That was my first time seeing it, so I had to look. And another lip kit. Ooh, a gold gloss, a red berry kind of color, and a lip liner to go with it. So let's jump into ours. So for this one, I'm gonna try Or Whatever. I'm gonna pat that all over my lid here as a base. Maybe I'll keep this one more matte because we did so much shimmer blown outedness in the last look. But this color is so pretty. She got money. So cute. So let's do macchiato right here, and let's do a line on either side. Good place to start. Do a line on top. I feel like I always find a way to add a wing in all my lips. Now this is a pretty soft brush. I'm gonna sharpen it with a more dense brush, but I'm just kind of getting out my shape. My MAC 239, let's use that. Yeah, see how different it makes the shadow look when you use a firm brush versus a little blender. I'm just gonna smudge it in a little bit. Okay, now that we got our shape, I'm going to just pat it like that, and I'm gonna hook it so it kind of looks like a cut crease here, right above my crease. And I'm gonna go back in with Or Whatever and kind of cut out my shape because it's more dense. Then I'm gonna go into Like, this red. Let's just buff out that original line that we did. Make it nice and red. And of course, I like ColourPop shadows a lot, and this collection's really affordable, which I appreciate. Cute. Well, I thought this one was gonna be more structured, but I just have that hand that likes to buff things out. I'm gonna go in with Cleo Amore. She's so cute, by the way. This little niece. Do that right in the inner corner. Gorgeous. Wow, a yellow that actually shows up, probably because Bretman and I are similar skin tone. Kind of like a marigold color. That's so pretty. I really love this light color, so just to add a little bit more shape, I'm gonna go right at the upper bridge of my nose. I think I'm gonna keep everything kind of up top, but let's extrafy it right here. Ooh, superhero chic. Right here. I don't know if I've ever done something right up to my brow before. Do a little whatever's left over on my brush and just cut it right quick. I mean, it wouldn't be my tutorial if I didn't use fingers, so I'm gonna go back in with Or Whatever and just brighten up the lid. Wow. That's a really nice color. For the lips, I'm gonna go into the Ultra Satin Lip. Sometimes with the really bold colors, I like to do the lip color first. Just a messy job. Sometimes it helps if you take your liner afterwards to help move the color around, so it's not so messy, because I'm very messy at lips. And then let's go into this ultra glossy lip, this beautiful gold. Go right in the center. Just for a little bit of sheen, you know. I'm gonna do a little lash and mascara and BRB. Okay. Look to complete. It went a little superhero-y a little bit, but that's okay. That completes our tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, huge congratulations to Bretman Rock. Love it. You're amazing. Hilarious. Love you so much. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Love yourself, stay pretty, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.